Pooja was only 10, barefoot, and too small to be noticed in a crowd of cars and buses. She had come to the city with her uncle to sell flowers at a festival, but they got separated near the overpass when the rush began. By evening, the roads were jammed. Horns blared, headlights flickered like angry stars, and people shouted in every language she didn't understand. Her feet ached. Her stomach growled. She hugged her small basket of marigolds and sat on the divider, blinking back tears. She searched the crowd, but her uncle was nowhere. She waited. Hours passed. The festival ended, but the traffic didn't. No one noticed the little girl in a torn yellow dress sitting still in the chaos. A traffic cop walked by and gave her a biscuit. A street dog came and lay beside her, as if to protect her from the night. She stayed awake the whole time. Cold wind blew. People argued. A few even slept inside their cars. She didn't cry anymore, just held her knees to her chest and whispered, "Uncle will find me." At sunrise, the road slowly cleared. Her eyes stung with sleep. But then, she heard his voice. "Pooja." She jumped up. Her uncle ran to her, face pale with worry, arms open. She dropped the flowers and hugged him tight. "I didn't move," she said. "I waited like you told me." He wept. "Brave girl," he whispered. "You're safe. That's all that matters."